Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Speak English Podcast USA. Today, we are going to talk about 150 daily use English sentences with examples. Fluency in English isn't just about knowing grammar rules or vocabulary. It's about confidently using language in real-world situations. Whether you're a beginner, a student, or a parent helping your child improve communication skills, learning daily English sentences is one of the easiest ways to start speaking fluently. These sentences form the backbone of everyday conversations and, once mastered, can dramatically improve both confidence and clarity. In this blog, we've curated 150 daily use English sentences categorized by different scenarios like home, school, phone calls, and more. You'll also learn the benefits of mastering such sentences and how PlanetSpark's spoken English program can help learners go from hesitant to fluent in just weeks. Daily use English sentences for beginners. If you are just starting your English learning journey, these simple sentences will help you build a strong foundation in spoken English. I am learning English. This is easy. Can you help me understand? Don't know, please say it again. We'll try again. Let's start. Am ready. Thank you. These basic English sentences are perfect for beginners and help in developing confidence from day one. Casual daily English sentences start with the most informal kind of communication, casual, everyday English that you'd use with friends or family in a relaxed setting. These phrases are easy to learn and highly useful in informal chats. What's going on? That sounds funny. Totally agree. Who made my didn't worrying about it. That's so cool. Just hanging out. Let's catch up later. That's hilarious. Can I join you? PlanetSpark students participate in fun role-play-based conversations to make casual English second nature. Daily English sentences at home. English doesn't have to be confined to the classroom. One of the most powerful ways to improve fluency is by using the language at home while talking to family members or managing daily routines. Please pass the salt. Did you do your homework? Clean up your room. What's for dinner? I'm going to bed and make a mess. Turn off the lights. Can you help me cook? Stop fighting, you twirl. Let's watch a movie tonight. Planet Spark encourages learners to create English-only zones at home for natural practice and immersive learning. Emotional daily English sentence communication is not just about stating facts. It's also about expressing emotions. These sentences help children and adults alike articulate their feelings clearly, which builds emotional intelligence along with fluency. I'm really happy today. That hurt my feelings. Feeling nervous. You always cheer me up. Can't stop smiling. I'm so proud of you. It's okay to feel sad. That made me angry. I'm grateful for everything. This means a lot to me. PlanetSpark helps kids express themselves better and build confidence with dedicated emotion-based speaking exercises. Daily English sentences at work. Professional communication requires a different tone, polite, clear, and action-oriented. The following sentences are commonly used in offices or remote work settings and are especially useful for older kids and teens preparing for real-world communication. Let's take this offline. Follow up by email us this deadline. Flexible. Can we reschedule? Please find the attached film working on. If it's a great suggestion, let's discuss this in detail. Need your input on this. Appreciate your feedback. Lynette Spark includes real-world topics like business English and presentation skills, even for young learners. Phone call English sentences. Speaking over the phone removes visual cues, making spoken clarity even more important. These sentences will help kids and beginners hold smoother phone conversations without hesitation. Hello. Who's speaking? Do you think we got disconnected? Call you right back and you hear me clearly. The signal is poor. Here I am running out of batteries. Talk louder, please. Hold on a second. Thanks for calling. Talk to you soon. Planet Spark incorporates phone-based speaking tasks to strengthen pronunciation, tone, and listening skills. Shopping and market English sentences from supermarkets to malls. English is everywhere. These sentences help learners become more confident while shopping or dealing with customer service staff. How much is this? Is this on Solido? You have this in another size. I'm just browsing. Thanks. Can I return this lateral? Take this Onato. You accept cards. That's too expensive again. I get a bag. Please ease this. Fresh Planet Spark uses real life simulations like shopping and restaurant scenarios to create a highly interactive learning experience. Travel and transport sentences traveling becomes easier when you know what to say in different transport situations, whether it's asking for directions or checking into a hotel. These sentences are essential for navigating new places. Where is the nearest? At how far is the airport? I need a cab to the station. What time does the train leave? Can I have a window seat though? You know the route. You'd like to book a ticket. Is this seat? Taking new hair. Could you show me on the map? Eating out or ordering food, whether you're dining at a restaurant or ordering online. Knowing how to talk about food is a practical skill. These sentences help express preferences and interact politely with waitstaff. Can I see the menu? What do you recommend? You'll have the it. Spicy. I'm allergic to peanuts. Can I get it packaged like a glass of water? The food was delicious. Schooled. We get the bill. Please keep the change. Daily English sentences for cleaning and course household chores are a part of everyone's daily routine, and communicating clearly while dividing or discussing tasks is important. These sentences are especially useful for kids helping at home or discussing responsibilities with siblings or parents. Time to do the dishes. Let's clean the living room. This place is messy. Can you sweep the floor? Don't forget to take out the trash. You'll fold the laundry wares. The vacuum will need to mop the floor. Let's organize the shelf well left. The light on in Planet Spark's interactive lessons. Students learn how to give instructions, respond politely, and narrate tasks using everyday vocabulary. Celebrations and special occasion sentence. Birthdays, festivals, or school functions. Special occasions call for special expressions. Being able to wish, congratulate, or express joy in English boosts confidence in both social and public speaking settings. Happy birthday to you. Congratulations on your success. Let's throw a party. Did you get my gift? It's a special die. Loved the surprise. Let's take a picture. Thanks for coming. What's the plan for today? Wishing you all the best. And study related sentences. Children spend most of their time in school, and that makes academic vocabulary crucial. These phrases help students participate in class, ask questions, and interact with peers or teachers confidently. I forgot my homework. May I come in? Can I borrow your pen? What's today's Topichi? Didn't understand. Fiskin, you explain it again. He scored full marks. Let's study together. What's the answer to this? Love this subject. Planet Spark supports school readiness with daily speaking prompts, grammar games, and structured revision through engaging sessions. Listening and clarifying sentences. Listening is just as important as speaking when it comes to effective communication. Whether you're in a classroom, conversation, or phone call, these phrases can help learners respond appropriately and show active listening. Can you repeat that? He didn't catch that. What do you mean? Could you speak slower? Understand now, get. If it's a good point, see what you're saying. Let me think about that. Interesting. Asking for help or directions in unfamiliar settings, whether online, in new cities, or in emergencies, asking for help politely and clearly is essential. These sentences prepare learners for real-world interactions in public places or while traveling. Can you help me? Please, where's the restroom? Lost Nita. Doctor, this isn't working. Call the police. What should I do now? Don't understand Fiskin. You write it down. Please speak in English. Planet. Spark equips students with essential life skill, vocabulary so they feel prepared and independent, expressing opinions and suggestions by able to share your thoughts respectfully is a skill that builds leadership and assertiveness. These sentences help learners express ideas, agree or disagree politely, and think critically, skills that are key in debates, interviews, and teamwork. I think it's a great idea. Let's try something new. Maybe we can improve this. That doesn't sound right in my opinion. Totally disagree. What do you think? That makes sense. I'm not sure about that. Let's ask some students at Planet Spark. Participate in debate clubs and podcast communities where they practice forming and sharing opinions clearly. Common polite phrase politeness adds warmth and professionalism to communication. These phrases are the building blocks of respectful conversations, especially for kids who are learning to socialize effectively. Please have a seat. Thank you so much. Excuse misery to bother you. That's very kind of you. Appreciate it. You're welcome. I beg your pardon. No worry. Shave a nice day. Planet Spark focuses on etiquette-based communication so learners speak not only fluently but also respectfully. How to practice daily use English sentences. Learning sentences is helpful, but practicing them daily is what builds real fluency. Here are some simple ways to improve. Speak 510 sentences everyday. Practice in front of a mirror. Sentences in real conversations. Rect your voice and listen to role play situations like school or shopping. Learn with structured speaking programs. Consist practice helps turn memorized sentences into natural communication habits. Who can benefit from daily English sentence daily use? English sentences are incredibly versatile. While they're ideal for young beginners, they're just as effective for children who already know some English but hesitate while speaking. These expressions serve as powerful language tools for school-age learners trying to participate in class, prepare for competitions, or even casually talk with friends. Even confident students benefit from having quick, fluent sentence structures ready to use in any situation. That's the magic of practical language. It grows with the child. And with the right approach, every child can build the fluency they need to shine. If you're unsure where to start, try letting your child experience it firsthand through a free class with Planet Spark. How Planet Spark makes these sentences stick. Product features 100% speaking-focused classes. Every class is designed to get your child talking from day one. Real-life conversation practice. Kids use practical sentences in common scenarios like shopping, ordering food, or talking in class. Expert-trained teachers. All sessions are led by certified teachers who guide and correct in real time. Personalized learning journey. Each child's pace, vocabulary, and comfort level are tracked and adapted into a custom roadmap. Live feedback and corrections. Errors are gently corrected on the spot, helping kids build confidence without hesitation. Role-playing and simulations. Classes use games, dialogue practice, and storytelling to simulate real-life situations. Engaging and interactive format. Every session includes speaking activities, not rote memorization. Outcome-based curriculum. Progress is visible through improved fluency, vocabulary, and spontaneity in daily communication. Parent-teacher check-ins. Regular PTs ensure that learning stays aligned with your goals. Free trial class. Start with a one-to-one session at no cost to experience Planet Spark's approach before committing. Why speaking practice builds real fluency. Most learners understand English, but struggle to speak because they haven't built enough speaking momentum. They pause, translate in their heads, or feel unsure about sentence structure. That's why practice is non-negotiable. Reading is only the first step. What matters more is regular, structured speaking practice with feedback, corrections, and encouragement. At Planet Spark, children speak from day one. They use daily use sentences in simulated situations, conversations, and challenges that feel natural and engaging. This repeated exposure turns memorized lines into confident responses. If your child has learned the rules but still struggles to speak fluently, the gap isn't knowledge, it's guided practice. And that's exactly what they'll receive in their first Planet Spark session. Risk-free and absolutely personalized. Why kids actually enjoy learning at Planet Spark. One of the biggest challenges with English learning is consistency. Kids get bored of grammar books and lose interest when learning feels like a chore. Planet Spark changes that by making speaking practice fun, competitive, and rewarding. Classes are designed like games. Students earn points, complete tasks, and win mini challenges, all while learning to speak fluently. From storytelling games to debate clubs and even podcast activities, the program makes sure no class feels repetitive. This level of engagement ensures your child doesn't just show up, they participate, speak more, and improve faster. If you want your child to love their English learning journey, you'll want them to try Planet Spark class. The first one's on us. How you can reinforce this at home as a parent. Your involvement can make a huge difference. Once your child is introduced to these daily use sentences, you can encourage them to practice them naturally at home. You might ask them questions using these phrases, challenge them to create new dialogues using familiar expressions, or even let them teach you what they've learned. When kids are given the space to use what they've learned in real conversations, the results stick. But for consistent progress, what's needed is expert guidance, someone to identify errors, personalize content, and gently push them forward each week. That's why thousands of parents have already chosen Planet Spark with live classes, a structured roadmap, and regular PT. Your child's journey is tracked, celebrated, and supported every step of the way. You don't have to take our word for it. Experience the difference in just one session. Turn sentences into confidence with Planet Spark Learning. 150+ daily use English sentences is a great first step, but the real goal is fluency. And fluency requires structured support, active speaking, and the kind of encouragement that makes kids want to keep going. Planet Spark offers exactly that, combining expert-led classes with a fun and motivating learning environment. Every child is guided personally through their spoken English journey from first sentences to confident conversations. If you're ready to give your child a head start in communication, let them try a session that's tailored, interactive, and free of charge. The journey from hesitant to fluent begins with one small step, and that step could be your child's first Planet Spark class. Bye.